Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I marinate my chicken for easy cooking. So I'm gonna do in a Ziploc bag, easier cleanup. I'm gonna take 4 medium-sized chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half a cup thick yogurt, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon meat masala, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon parsley, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, close, squeeze out the air. Rub your spices all over the chicken. Let it marinate your chicken for at least 2 hours. Overnight is really good. I am making mine after 7 hours. Before making, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, you can even add green chilies. Here I'm taking baking tray lined with foil, so cleanup is easy. Cover your chicken and do preheat your oven at 425. Now I'm gonna prick my foil so the steam can escape. Cook your chicken for 30 to 40 minutes or until it's fully cooked. I'm taking out after 35 minutes. Uncover, and I am gonna drain that water and put it in the oven for another 2 minutes to get some color on my chicken. I'm gonna take out the chicken, put the foil back on so it could rest. I diced in cubes, and you can make any gravy with it, put it on a salad. I hope you like the way I marinated my chicken. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.